This recipe for mushroom omelette is unbelievably easy and it's even tastier. So let me show you how to make this great breakfast or lunch option in a quick and easy way. Let's get started. So first things first, chop up a quarter of a medium-sized onion and chop it real fine. We're gonna use it to saute our mushrooms. Next, here I have some cremini mushrooms. Now these are cultivated mushrooms and not wild mushrooms. So you are safe if you just wipe any excess dirt from the mushrooms. Because they are cultivated, there is no need to wash them. So once you've cleaned the mushrooms, go ahead and slice them nice and thick, and then we'll proceed to the pan. So here I have a pan heating on medium heat, and now add in half of your butter. Once that butter has melted, add in your onions and your mushrooms. We're gonna saute it together so the onions become nice and soft and the mushrooms release all of their juices and really flavor those onions. Now to help cook out these mushrooms, go ahead and add some salt if you feel like, just to speed up that cooking process. Go ahead and transfer the mushrooms and onions into a bowl. We'll let this cool down just a little bit while we prepare our eggs. So just crack 2 eggs in a bowl. We're gonna whisk it up real quick. If you feel like it, you can substitute the eggs with egg whites or use half egg whites, half eggs. If you choose to use egg whites instead of whole eggs, use up to 3 to 4 egg whites for 2 eggs. So just salt them really quick and give it a good whisk. You're gonna whisk this until the yolk and the white has come together really nicely, and if you lift that whisk, you should see a nice smooth stream of egg pouring down. Perfect. Now to the same pan, just give it a quick wipe and add the rest of your butter. Let that melt and then go ahead and pour. Now just let that melt and pour in your eggs. Make sure your stove is at medium-low. We want to cook our eggs very gently. Now, as soon as you've added the eggs, add in your mushrooms over the top and just gently spread that over the surface of the egg. Once it's nice and even, go ahead and cover the pan with the lid. Now you want to cook these eggs very gently until they've become set. It's still a bit wet at this stage on the top, just making sure that nothing is stuck on that pan by just releasing the edges. Try to use a silicone spatula and your best non-stick pan whenever you're making eggs. And if you feel like your eggs are a bit stuck, feel free to shake your pan gently just to release it. Perfect, the eggs have become set and this is looking amazing. Today I'm just gonna fold the egg in half and serve it over some toast. So go ahead and do that. Don't worry too much about that little crack. It's big chunks of mushrooms I've used today. If you use smaller chunks, it'll be fine. And there you go, a simple, delicious mushroom omelette. You can't go better than this. Really simple flavors. Crack some pepper on top if you want. Have some ketchup, have some bacon, have some beans on the side, whatever you like. This is a great breakfast. Everybody's gonna love this. You're gonna love this. So go ahead and make it at your own kitchen and let me know how it goes in the comment section down below. If you want more videos just like this, be sure to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon when my new video. If you want more videos just like this, be sure to hit that bell icon and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my next video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.